Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I have this Fanatic Edge Omen here with me. Look at this Timascus. This is, I think, black Timascus pocket clip. That's pretty cool. So this came in pretty stiff. Yeah, so let's see if we can improve the action of this pretty interesting looking knife, guys. It's very interesting. So disassembly looks pretty straightforward. You're gonna need a T8 for the pivot screw and for the handle screw, but this is spinning, so we're gonna need another one. Let's see if this is spinning as well. It's spinning as well, so no biggie. Let's just get in a second bit with a T8, which is this guy over here, and let's do this. So maybe like this, just hold it like that. So here is your T8, and that's on the other side. Just hold it in place, and this is out. Very nice. Second one, just like that, and it is out almost like so. So very nice. Just be careful. There you go. So interesting. Very simple construction. I can remove the blade. It's very simple, guys. You've got your pivot, which is not keyed in. Ceramic ball bearings, very interesting. I'm gonna get a little bit of this to clean it up and see what we can do to improve the action, because it was a little bit stiff. So we're gonna see if it was a little bit of gunk for sure here. Yeah, very good. Let's just put these here. Okay, and then nice stainless steel washers. Let's clean up the inside as well. These are alcohol swabs, by the way, if you're wondering. Just generic alcohol swabs. Oh, backspacer just came off. And also nice, we have this is a blue anodized titanium pivot collar. That's pretty cool. Is it coming off? Doesn't look like. Oh, the washer is coming off. What about, so we can clean underneath. This is the pivot track. Let's see if we can. I don't think so, guys. I think this is just like here. So it's all right. It's gonna stay there. Let's take another one just to clean everything in the handle, like so. And just on the inside, over here, the track. Nice that they replicated the pivot collar in the back. I appreciate that. Let's see if we can gently remove the washer. Maybe like this. There you go. So that is done. That is out. Just let's clean up. They're pretty thick. Actually, these are not really washers. Somebody told me these are more like spacers. I don't know, like what's the real difference. If you know, please let me know in the comments, guys. Nice. These are ceramic ball bearings. Pretty cool. Let's just clean them up like this, both sides. Awesome. And this blade, by the way, is pretty sick. Compound grind, hollow, nicely done. The pivot is pressed fit into the blade, so it's not coming off. And yeah, has a pretty cool grind, if you ask me. So this is done. That's clean. This is clean. And just do the backspacer, which has just a pin to key it in. All right, so we are in business, guys. Let's put this guy back together. All right, you can just dry it out a little bit and just make sure there's no gunk left, no oil, no residue. Very good. Here as well. Look at this, very nice. All right, so there's no need to remove these guys. It's fine. It is fine. Let's do this. So this guy, washer slash spacer in. Let's do the pivot, which we cleaned. And sometimes I like to just do like this and clean it on the inside, like so. See? Pretty cool. And this pivot goes in from the back. Nicely done. And let's use some 10 weight. I think it's gonna be all right. So a little bit over here on the washer and just a little dab around the pivot. Okay. And let's do the washer, the bearing, sorry. And you know what? Let's just do just a little bit on the track here and here. Just a smidge like so. Same thing here. This guy is in. And let's see if we can do the steel washer directly on this side. Yeah, it can be there. And let's just do, look at this, just a little touch as well. And then we've got the backspacer that goes in this position. And this guy that goes there. So let's actually just key this guy in, all right, on this side. So hopefully we did everything the right way. Let's actually do the blade like this, halfway open, so lines up. Okay, let's just do let's check. Looks like everything is in the right place. So here we're gonna do these two screws, just keeping it together like so. Right, that's one. Oops. All right, come on. There you go. And it's in. And it's spinning. We're gonna tighten that up. Let's see. Yeah, looks good on this side. Let's use a little bit of this blue Loctite over here for this side of the pivot. Just a little bit like this. Just coating the thread. Okay. And in. So not too tight. Let's just see what is the deal. Let's see. So probably it's too tight. There's no blade play. Okay. We need to tighten this a little bit more, because I sense a little bit of play, just a tad. All right, so this is done. Okay. Oh yeah, it needed just a little bit. Okay. All right. So pretty solid. Okay. Let's do. I think it needs a little bit of just another little drop on the detent ball, like there. Okay. And let's see if we managed to improve the action. It still doesn't drop shut. There's no detent ball ramp, which you can feel, so you have to go past that. But it's much smoother, guys. Much nicer. Oh yeah. Blade is a little bit off center. Maybe we can fix it like so. Actually, guys. Oh yeah. I think we managed to improve the action of this guy. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's pretty cool. Alright, so there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.